morning everybody. I am so Avtar Madam from Lanza Junior College. Today we are going to discuss the differentiation of implicit functions. Exercise 1.3, question number 3 and some questions are 5, 6, 7, 8. Before going to solve the questions, first you must and should know this, that is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi upon 2, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi upon 2, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi upon 2. Now consider the example, fifth one, x square y square minus tan inverse square root of x square plus y square equal to cot inverse of square root of x square plus y square. We can write this example like this: x square plus y square, transfer this minus tan inverse on RHS, we get, okay, minus changes to plus. Let this be capital X, let this be capital. Now it is of the form cot inverse of x plus tan inverse of x. We can write pi upon 2. Therefore, above example can be written as x square y square equal to pi upon 2. Differentiating with respect to x, that is d dx of x square y square equal to d dx of pi upon 2. Apply here differentiation of product formula, x square d dx of y square plus y square into d dx of x square, and differentiation of pi upon 2 is 0 because this is a constant term. X square into 2y dy upon dx. Okay, differentiation of y square with respect to x can be written as 2y dy upon dx plus y square, differentiation of x square is 2x. This is equal to 2. Now see, 2y x square dy upon dx equal to, we can write minus 2x square, means take the dy upon dx term on LHS and simple term on RHS. The sign is going to change, it becomes minus. Therefore dy upon dx equal to minus 2xy square divided by 2y x square. 2 get cancels, 1y get cancels, 1x get cancels. Therefore we get dy upon dx equal to minus y upon x. This is the answer. Next, consider the next example. The next example is x e raised to y plus y into e raised to x equal to 1. This is also implicit function. Let us differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. See, d dx of x into e raised to y, d dx of y into e raised to x, d dx of 1. Okay. Apply here also UV formula, differentiation of UV formula. See, x differentiation of e raised to y plus e raised to y differentiation of x. This is the differentiation of this one. Plus y differentiation of e raised to x plus e raised to x into differentiation of 1, and differentiation of 1 is 0. Therefore x differentiation of e raised to y is e raised to y into dy upon dx, because we are going to differentiate y with respect to x, e raised to y into 1 plus y differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x differentiation of y with respect to x is dy upon dx. This is equal to 0. Now collect the terms dy upon dx. X into e raised to y dy upon dx plus e raised to x dy upon dx. Next, transfer the simple term on RHS, that is e raised to y. This becomes minus e raised to y minus y into e raised to x. See here, these two terms are going to on RHS, signs are going to change. Therefore, taking dy upon dx as a common, here we get x into e raised to y plus e raised to x equal to, taking minus as a common, we can write e raised to y plus y into e raised to x. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to, we can write minus e raised to y plus y into e raised to x whole divided by x into e raised to y plus e raised to x. This is the answer. Next, consider the third example. The third example is e raised to x plus y into the equal to cos of x minus y. Differentiating with respect to x. See here, differentiation of e raised to x plus y is e raised to x plus y, first put. Next, differentiation of x plus y. Okay. Next, differentiation of cos function is minus sin x minus y, and differentiation of the function, that is d dx of x minus y, means e raised to x plus y, differentiation of the function, differentiation of cos is minus sin x minus y, and differentiation of the function. Therefore, e raised to x plus y, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of y with respect to x is dy upon dx, minus sin x minus y, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of y with respect to x is dy upon dx. Now multiply this term, e raised to x plus y into 1 gives e raised to x plus y plus e raised to x plus y into dy upon dx. This is equal to, multiply this one, minus sin x minus y into 1, minus into minus becomes plus sin of x minus y into dy upon dx. Now collect the term dy upon dx on LHS. See here, e raised to x plus y into dy upon dx, this becomes minus sin of x minus y dy upon dx. This is equal to, transfer this minus e raised to x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Now taking dy upon dx as a common, we can write dy upon dx into the bracket e raised to x plus y minus sin of x minus y. This is equal to, taking minus here as a common, we can write e raised to x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to, we can write minus e raised to x plus y plus sin of x minus y whole divided by e raised to x plus y minus sin of x minus y. This is the answer. Okay. Next, consider the last example. The last example is cos of x plus y equal to x plus y. Differentiating with respect to x, differentiation of cos is minus sin x plus y. Next, differentiation of the function, that is differentiation of x plus y. This is equal to differentiation of x plus y. Differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of y is dy upon dx. Okay. Now multiply, see, minus sin x plus y, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of y is dy upon dx. This is equal to 1 plus dy upon dx. Now multiply this term. Sin of x plus y into 1 gives minus sin of x plus y, minus into plus minus x plus y into dy upon dx. This is equal to 1 plus dy upon dx. Now take the terms dy upon dx, minus sin x plus y, take this also, minus dy upon dx. Now transfer this term, this becomes minus change to plus, sin of x plus y plus 1. See, this term, we have taken this term here, right here, dy upon dx, minus dy upon dx. Now taking dy upon dx as a common, dy upon dx into the bracket minus sin of x plus y minus 1. This is equal to 1 plus sin of x plus 1. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to, we can write 1 plus sin of x plus y divided by minus into the bracket sin of x plus y plus 1. These two terms get cancelled. 1 upon minus 1, we get minus 1 as the answer. Goodbye. We will see the next examples in the next video.